Hi, I'm Christy Conway with Charleston Home and Design Magazine, and I'm here at the Citadel's Johnson Hagood Stadium for the Charleston Home and Design Show. I'm sitting with Alan Wheeler of Coastal Design Builders. Alan, how are you doing?
Just great. The show's been wonderful.
Good, good. Yeah, I mean, your booth is a great location. Have you had good traffic?
Well, I have. There's an elevator on each side of the small area. It's sunny, and people are coming by all the time. This is first break, really, right now, just to be able to do the interview. It's been wonderfully busy.
Good, good. Okay. Well, have you gotten some good kind of leads, qualified leads?
Yes. I had an intention set of maybe 20 people to follow up with, and as of right now, like 36. So this has been a really great show.
Fantastic. Now, what are you offering people? What are people interested in when they sign up with you?
Well, there's been a balance between custom homes and remodeling, and a lot of people have a lot already. Last year at this time, they were going to get a lot. But I'm a design builder, so when they say, do I need to bring you plans? I said, sure, I can do plans, I can modify plans, I can also arrange to have new, completely designed plans. So I'm kind of a turnkey builder. I do custom homes and remodeling. Okay. So, yeah.
All right, so how long have you been in the Charleston area doing this?
About 6 years, and I've been doing both remodeling and custom homes for 25 years, so got some experience.
And where was that you got your start?
I started in a small town in upstate New York where you had to do basement houses, and then came to the Carolinas 20 years ago. It was longer building season, friendly.
No basements?
No walkout basements and crawl spaces, and then I've been doing some beach houses for houses on pilings and hurricane standards, so a lot of wonderful experience.
So you're very familiar, obviously, with the kind of elements that we're dealing with down here in the Charleston area.
Well, and it's very different. I don't know if people know, but there's the seismic or earthquake factor when engineering is done, and then the winds are for 120 miles an hour instead of 80 miles an hour. And so important elements, and there's a new energy code that started just 30 days ago that's going to affect how houses are built, which is very positive. So got to keep up with all of that.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you seem to be on top of the various trends and things like that. Now, what is this energy code about?
Well, houses have been in the past fairly drafty, called air changes, and that affects the ability of insulation to do its job if it's supposed to be an R13, but there's a lot of holes. So, for instance, all the wires and all the pipes in the house have to be caulked when they go between rooms or they go up to the attic area. So there's less air movement. There are blower door tests where you seal a house and put a blower in the front door and test and see how tight the windows and the doors are. So things are, really changing.
Okay. All right. Well, so obviously when you deal with a builder, you're talking specifically with them. You actually have to get to know them.
Yes.
Do you find that people enjoy working with you? That's kind of an odd question, but it seems like, when someone works with a builder, you either love them or you hate them. What's your experience with working with homeowners?
Well, I think a homeowner, they have friends tell them that things went awry in a job, and in 25 years, the key for me has been paying attention to detail. The stories are, well, they went away for 2 weeks and I never learned why. And I never leave my jobs. I've never walked a job. And they just want to know, they want to trust a builder to look around and be there checking on things and be their representative. And I'm on my jobs every day, sometimes for 4 hours, sometimes for half an hour, just checking on things. And so they realize that trust is there.
I mean, personally, knowing you, Alan, I know that you're a very thorough person. I can't ever imagine you just leaving a job site for 2 weeks and you don't know what's going on. I mean, the homeowner would be quite confused, I think, if that were to happen. Does that often happen with builders? They just disappear?
I have some builder friends, and knowing them, I think that they probably don't do that either.
Well, that's good.
But I hear a lot of stories about, not being around.
It's so important to really get to know someone before you work with them. I mean, some of these projects can last a year, right?
Well, a really large custom house could be a year. One of the things, by staying on the job every day and checking on things, I can build a 4,000 square foot house in just 6 months.
Oh, really? Okay.
So they can move along, but more typically it takes longer. But if you organize and for instance, I give my homeowners a decision date list. By these dates, we need to know about kitchen cabinet order, shingle color, so they can plan ahead.
So it's that thoroughness again.
Yeah, so I'm organized,
Right.
and that helps them.
All right. Well, do you have a website someone can learn more about you?
I do, www.coastaldesignbuilders.com, and I have a new site updated. I did not have pictures, and I do now with some good information, so that'd be good, yeah.
All right. And what if they want to give you a call?
My phone is 843-300-9383.
Okay, fantastic. Well, thank you so much for talking with me, Alan. We've been speaking with Alan of Coastal Design Builders at the Citadel's Johnson Hagood Stadium at the Charleston Home and Design Show.
Thank you, Christy.